Okay, the first thing you are going to do today is log into EdPuzzle, go into our class, look at completed assignments. If they're not showing up, if it's all hazy like this, you have to write show all three, and they must be graded to get any feedback. So you show them, you click on theme or literary devices, and then at the bottom you're going to go to the first question, and you're going to click on show results, or click on the question itself. Click on the question itself and it'll show you, well, look, I know about this. So whatever the question is, if you got it right, your reflection is, I know this, I did this right. If it was wrong, you're going to try to think about why you got it wrong and why it's what the correct answer was, and then reflect on what you could do in the future to do better, or what you need to learn or know. So that's going to help you as we read the book To Kill the Mockingbird, for you to reflect about the literary devices and about theme. I also had comments, and I made comments. You can look at those to help you out too. The main one is that people were not using analogies correctly. An analogy for our purposes is to show the reader, explain to the reader, or educate the reader. So the two unlike items have to have similar structures and have to make sense. So you can't say light as a feather, she was as light as a feather, because that's a simile, not an analogy. It's not teaching us anything. I highly doubt anyone literally is as light as a feather. You'd have to have two unlike objects that are similar.